Hi, my name is Dr. Willard. I'm here at Total Health Chiropractic. I have my next oldest son in here today. He got banged up pretty bad Friday night when the Rockin' Raiders beat East Forsyth for the first time in history. So what I'm going to do is take care of him and adjust him today, see exactly what's going on with him, so we can get him back in tip-top shape. Trevor, what's bothering you today?
Pretty much everything.
Everything?
Friday night was rough.
Go ahead and lay face down on the table for him. So the first thing we're going to do is take a look at his legs here, check his legs out, make sure his spine is in alignment. That's where we start. We always start with the spine first. So I'm just going to look at his legs here, bring them up. Okay, as you can see, if you look on the other side here, my cameraman will zoom in here right there. There's pretty significant discrepancy between left leg and right leg. So what we're going to do is fix that first and foremost, because until we balance the foundation, we'll continue having problems with the spine. One thing I noticed looking at him just straight off, he's very lumped up from approximately T4 all the way down to L1 on the right hand side, which would make perfect sense from the standpoint that when the body shortens on one side, there's a counterbalance mechanism that will try to deviate it or push it back, if you will, on the opposing side. So when the spine rotates this way, this side of your spine is going to go into spasm to try to prevent any further damage from accruing. This is the body's natural way of protecting himself. So what I'm going to do first, clear out the upper back, straighten that out, alleviate the pain he has up there. Then I'm going to address the SI issue on this side. Then we'll adjust his low back, and then we'll clear his neck out. So first and foremost, let's clear out his upper back. Take a deep breath in for me, Trey. All right, blow all the way out for me. Nice and easy right there. There we go. There we go. There we go, nice. And release perfectly in and of itself. There we go, perfect. All right, relax here, just nice and easy, a little stretch, good. And he definitely needs to be adjusted, no doubt about it. But we expect that. When you play football, your body takes a beating. The problem is people let it keep going on, they never get checked, and then we have issues. So let's clear out his pelvis here. Nice and easy. Perfect. All right, let's look at his legs here. Now, if I did everything correctly, everything will be perfect. All right, here we go. All right, nice and easy. All right, let's take a look, go both angles so they know I'm not doing the magician work here. All right, you see that? So legs are pretty much cleared out. What I'm gonna do is have him to rotate on his side towards me. Now we're gonna adjust the lumbars. Lumbars are the last 5 segments in the spine. Once you get the SI joint or the pelvis cleared out, we always go in here. All right, what we're gonna do here is take a deep breath in for a good rotation here, blow all the way out, nice and easy. And one more time, perfect, that's all we need. Roll on the other side for me, Trey. Cleared out one side, we're going to clear out the other one. This allows you to rotate your hips. You can already tell he's a little tighter on this side than the other, which tells me it's a little higher. So we'll go in and find that specific spot, and it's right there. Deep breath in for me, blow all the way out for me, nice and easy. There you go, nice and easy, rolling back. I heard that all the way over here. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and take another look at his legs. Legs look good from an anterior view. When I'm done with him, I'll check him again from a posterior view. Now, in my opinion, probably the best adjustment there is a neck adjustment. A lot of people are scared of the neck adjustment for some obvious reasons, and a lot of that is cervical rotation. Here at Total Health Chiropractic, we don't do a lot of rotation. If you do this neck adjustment properly, there's no discomfort. All he will feel relief. We go in and look at each segment individually. We feel what's wrong, palpate what's wrong. Palpate just means touch. Once we find that segment, it's out here, and that's it. That's all we gotta do. Backside here, come down a little lower, a little stretch, and that's it. Perfect. All right, let's get your rollover face down for me, Troy. All right, so since he got banged up pretty bad Friday night, there's a couple of things we got to check too, but I want to look at his legs here just to make sure you didn't think it was magician work. Let's bring his legs back up. There's his legs. I'm holding it with two fingers here. Perfect. It don't get any better than that, okay? There we go. All right, so let's go ahead and actually, one more thing, Trey, let me do, buff these muscles. Very important to buff these muscles, kind of get them relaxed. Here at Total Health Chiropractic, we always give you 2 coats of polish, shine you up before we send you out the front door. Loosen the muscles up. We don't want the muscles to spasm back up, because if they do, then we got a problem again. And the directions I would give him is to go home, put an ice pack on this for 20 minutes, take it off for an hour, and ice it again. That'll decrease his inflammation 40 to 50%. Over the course of 4 or 5 days,